Okay, take two because I forgot to turn off the TV. Copyright. We have ribs. Next couple days, ribs there. Right now, some defrosting. We have a whole bunch of croissants over there. Of course, this one here is close. Fat guts. Waiting for a hamburger.
Yeah.
Val's cooking the dinner tonight for us. We're having spaghetti. Idaho style.
Well, I don't know about Idaho style, but it is a style.
You know, stick it all in there. She's gonna. We've got the veggies all done. She's now mixing everything up. This one here, eh, Rocks? Don't bother me, Dad. I'm eating.
We're trying to.
You mooching, eh? Missy? Yeah, what's it to you? She loves her little hamburger in there. Okay, well, the second one is coming soon. Thanks, everyone. I'm hungry.